Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build financial security with Wells Fargo step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all financial statements, including bank accounts, debts, and investments. Calculate your total income and expenses to understand your cash flow. Set specific financial goals based on your lifestyle and future needs. Consider short-term goals, like saving for a vacation, and long-term goals, like retirement. Visit the Wells Fargo website to explore their financial tools and resources. Open a Wells Fargo checking and savings account if you don't already have one. Take advantage of budgeting tools offered by Wells Fargo to track your expenses. Create a monthly budget that prioritizes savings, debt repayment, and necessary expenses. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Explore Wells Fargo's investment options to grow your savings over time. Consider speaking with a Wells Fargo financial advisor for personalized advice. Review your credit report to identify areas for improvement. Pay down high-interest debts to increase your financial security. Establish an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Regularly monitor your financial progress using Wells Fargo's mobile app. Adjust your budget and goals as your financial situation changes. Continue educating yourself on personal finance topics to make informed decisions. Stay disciplined and committed to your financial plan for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.